3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至到62公里。喺朝早10點，熱帶風暴暹芭集結喺香港之西北偏西，大約400公里，即係北緯23.4度，東經110.5度附近。預料向北移動，時速大約14公里，橫過廣西內陸，並且逐漸減弱。喺過去1-2個鐘頭，本港風勢稍為緩和。天文台表示會視乎本港風力減弱嘅程度，考慮喺下晝2點至到6點改發1號戒備信號，或取消所有熱帶氣旋警告信號。與暹芭相關嘅外圍雨帶仍然會間中為本港帶嚟狂風驟雨，海面仍然有大浪同埋湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊，並且停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個鐘頭，青洲、沙洲、橫瀾島分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時62、60同埋54公里，最高陣風分別為每小時80、80同埋62公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 10 a.m., Tropical Storm Chaba was estimated to be about 400 km west-northwest of Hong Kong, which is near 23.4 degrees north, 110.5 degrees east, and is forecast to move north at about 14 km per hour across inland Guangxi and weaken gradually. In the past couple of hours, local winds are moderating slightly. Depending on the degree of weakening of local winds, the observatory will consider issuing the standby signal, number 1, or canceling all the tropical cyclone warning signals between 2 and 6 p.m. The outer rain bands associated with Chaba will still occasionally bring squally showers to Hong Kong. Seas remain rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Green Island, Sha Chao and Waglan Island were 62, 60 and 54 km per hour with maximum gusts 80, 80 and 62 km per hour respectively.